Today was great. It's the 22nd of October.
22nd of September today.
It's September. Oh my God. The reason for why I'm saying that is because I'm expecting a call 1 month later, which is the 22nd of October. So yeah, let's go back, wishing my life away. So it's the 22nd of say it again. It's the 22nd of September today, and today was mentoring.
So today we were working on my weaknesses, finding out where my sticking points are with estate agents, and sort of working through them, finding out exactly what I need to do to get over that, to get my deals coming a bit quicker.
Today was such a nice refresher course for me.
I'm going to book viewings to just make relationships with estate agents, so book appointments with estate agents rather than just booking a viewing and then just going around the viewing and having a quick chat with them. I'm actually going to sit down with them, tell them what I'm looking for.
Actually spending that one-on-one intimate time with Samuel on a level where he can really go over what I want to do and what I'm good at, and we've done that today.
It's really good to get one-on-one mentoring and actually sort of reflect on exactly what I've sort of been going through, my journey so far.
You probably can't see, but the property that Russell lives at today, we all know sometimes we need to physically see inspiration, right? So coming here today, doing it at Russell's house was inspiring in its own right.
I viewed a property last week, and today I've managed to actually secure the property with backing from Samuel, confirming that it's a good deal rather than walking away because they didn't take my first offer, which I thought was about right. But with a confirmation of end value, it's turned out that actually I can offer what they want for it.
And what we need to do is we need to surround ourselves with like-minded people, and sometimes in order to do that as well, we need to educate ourselves. And yeah, we can do it with books and we can do it on YouTube, but sometimes we need to immerse ourselves fully. If we believe in something, there's nothing better than proper education, and especially with people that are actually in it.
Really enjoyed the Accelerating Mentoring and Coaching Program because obviously we get a detailed talk with Samuel, and because there wasn't only two of us, we had a really good intimate talk with him, long time throughout the whole day. We spent a good day with him, had lunch and everything.
I've really immersed myself with my work, and I haven't necessarily gone deep with my property as well as I wanted to. So yeah, that's all on me though. That was all on me. But now we're gonna get on it.
Get all our questions in, get all our problems answered, not just get them answered, but actually address them with him so he could guide us through our problems and not just say, here's your problem, yeah, we've found it, now go away and solve it and come back and tell me how you got on. It was like, here's your problem, now let's solve it. Okay, you didn't do it right. Okay, now try again, let's solve it. Okay, that's better. And kept doing that.
Property can be your vehicle. So if you want to live a life of passive income, or you want to help people to give them good properties, property with the education in it, it gives you that vehicle in order to live that life. And if maybe you want to be a writer, or if you want to be something and you can't make money off that in the beginning, if you start doing your properties and you have passive income coming in, you have that freedom.